86 pounds, 39 kilograms. That's less than a German Shepherd or an overpacked suitcase. Now picture this weight packing 800 horsepower and 922 pound-feet of torque. This isn't a dream. It's Koenigsegg's dark matter electric motor, making competitors like Tesla rethink EV performance. Koenigsegg is shaking things up. For years, Tesla led the EV conversation, pushing limits and showcasing electric power. Their motors impress, and their cars are quick. But in Ängelholm, Sweden, Koenigsegg has been quietly revolutionizing the game. The dark matter isn't merely another EV component, it's a bold statement redefining hypercar performance with incredible power density. This motor is set to transform the EV landscape. How can something so small deliver such power? The dark matter motor weighs 39 kilograms, delivering 800 horsepower and 922 pound-feet of torque. Traditional engines with similar output weigh much more. The dark matter is only 15.1 inches in diameter and 5.3 inches thick. Koenigsegg believes the dark matter is an evolutionary leap in electric propulsion. Initially, the Gemera concept planned 3 smaller motors. Instead, they opted for a single dark matter motor, simplifying and enhancing performance. It pairs seamlessly with the innovative Lightspeed tourbillon transmission, designed for an engaging drive. The dark matter isn't just about muscle, it's smart design and advanced materials. The name suggests unseen power, pushing our understanding of EV technology. Its unique axial flux design combines the best aspects of radial and axial types, optimizing performance. The 6-phase power system distributes current efficiently, helping prevent overheating. This leads to smooth torque delivery with less vibration. Koenigsegg combines this with their custom silicon carbide inverter named David, minimizing heat loss. Koenigsegg utilizes advanced materials. Dark matter features carbon fiber in its rotor and stator. This innovation reduces weight while enhancing strength, making the motor surprisingly light. The integration of axial flux, 6-phase power, and carbon fiber design sets a new standard for electric motors. Now let's acknowledge Tesla, a formidable player in EV performance. Their Plaid motors deliver top-tier power and set high benchmarks, but the dark matter motor raises the stakes. One single dark matter unit achieves 800 horsepower, outperforming Tesla's multi-motor setups. Tesla has made impressive strides with its technology, focusing on battery and software innovations. But the dark matter challenges the industry's conventional power metrics. It showcases what's possible with one small yet powerful motor, hinting at a future with even more potential. The dark matter allows for more efficient vehicle design. Less weight leads to enhanced handling, greater efficiency, and freeing up space for other components. Koenigsegg's embrace of lighter design enables agile, powerful vehicles. Christian von Koenigsegg aims for excitement and emotional engagement in driving experience. Dark matter's power density is central to this vision. It sidesteps the common complaint of heavy electric cars feeling disconnected from drivers. The power density and efficiency establish a new standard. Dark matter's performance challenges the bigger is better mindset in EV technology, offering precision without requiring larger batteries or multiple motors. The implications of the dark matter extend beyond hypercars. It could disrupt the entire automotive industry, urging manufacturers to prioritize power density. A lighter motor can enable versatile designs across vehicle types, revolutionizing performance standards. Koenigsegg's achievements could also inspire advanced solutions in industries like aerospace, potentially changing electric flight. The future emerges, blending high-performance electric motors with hybrid technologies to meet evolving environmental demands. For Tesla, this new benchmark by Koenigsegg poses a challenge. It pushes them to innovate faster, exploring novel designs and materials. The industry thrives on competition. Ultimately, the introduction of Koenigsegg's dark matter motor signals the beginning of a transformative era in electric propulsion. It emphasizes bold rethinking and shows that exceptional performance can stem from smart engineering and compact designs. So, do you believe Koenigsegg's dark matter motor reshapes the EV landscape? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge automotive innovations. You won't want to miss what's next.